is for the Honorable Judge Big.
We are here today for the People versus Mr. Sincere, charged with emotional dishonesty, stringing along a bombshell, and being the complete reverse of his own name. This court does not tolerate Love Island foolishness.
Your Honor, the defendant told Ms. Saul she was a breath of fresh air, exactly his type, and someone he could see a future with. Then he ran right back to Melanie like it was a 2-for-1 recoupling sale.
Your Honor, Love Island is a complicated emotional environment.
It's not complicated. It's a villa with cameras and vibes. Continue.
Let's review the facts. Melanie disrespected Sincere first, getting giddy over Corbin the moment he walked in. America voted Sincere and Soul together because they saw potential. Soul and Sincere connected, kissed, bonded, and she held him accountable like a grown woman. And then he recoupled with Melanie anyway, leaving Saul looking like she got hit by a plot twist.
Tragic. Continue.
The prosecution calls Saul to the stand.
Your Honor, I came into that villa with good intentions. I was honest, I was open, I was real. And Sincere told me everything I wanted to hear except the truth.
Objection. My client never lied.
He didn't lie, he omitted, which is just lying with extra steps.
Correct. Omission is the diet version of dishonesty.
He told me I was special. He told me he was done with Melanie. He told me he wanted clarity. But I had to drag that clarity out of him, like pulling a suitcase through sand.
And how did you feel when he recoupled with Melanie?
Like I got dumped by a man named Sincere who wasn't sincere. The irony was violent.
This court acknowledges the emotional whiplash.
The prosecution calls Melanie to the stand.
Look, I know I got excited about Corbin. He was tall, he was new, he had abs. It happens.
Ma'am, this is a courtroom, not a thirst trap.
But Sincere told me he still wanted me, so I took him back.
Even after America voted him with Saul?
America doesn't live in the villa. I do.
Ma'am, America also doesn't kiss bombshells during challenges like they're handing out samples at Costco.
Fair.
Mr. Sincere, before I sentence you, do you have anything to say?
I just followed my heart.
Which one? Because you seem to have two.
I didn't mean to hurt Soul.
Sir, you had more mixed signals than a malfunctioning traffic light.
I was confused.
Confused? You were confused, but Saul was the one doing emotional labor. You put her to work. The court finds you guilty of emotional dishonesty, mixed messaging, and violating the sacred villa code of don't play two women unless you're ready for the fallout. Your sentence is as follows. You must spend 48 hours in the villa's reflection corner thinking about why your name is Sincere, but your actions were not. You will attend a mandatory workshop titled Clarity. Say what you mean before someone has to drag it out of you. For the next 30 days, you must announce your intentions out loud before making any romantic decision. And finally, you must write Sal a handwritten apology letter with a minimum of 3 paragraphs, each beginning with the phrase, where I lacked sincerity. Case adjourned. Hello, this is Judge Big. If you have a pet peeve you want to bring to trial, let's get some justice. Put it in the comment. Hit the like button and subscribe. We are here today for the People versus Mr. Morton, charged with throwing trash out of his car window while driving. A crime so bold, so brazen, it offends Mother Nature herself.
Your Honor, the defendant didn't just toss trash. He launched it. A full fast food bag, fries, napkins, receipt, straight onto the street like he was feeding the asphalt.
Your Honor, my client panicked. The bag was leaking.
Leaking, sir. That's what trash cans are for. Not highways, not neighborhoods, not the universe.
Your Honor, I didn't think anyone saw me.
Oh, so it's not the crime, it's the witnesses that bother you.
The prosecution calls Ms. Harper to the stand.
I was driving behind him, minding my business, when suddenly a bag of trash comes flying out his window. It hit the road, exploded like a greasy confetti bomb.
Objection. Greasy confetti bomb is exaggerated.
Overruled. I've seen those bags. They do explode.
Your Honor, a ketchup packet hit my windshield. I thought it was a bug at first. Then I smelled it. It was ketchup. Warm ketchup.
And what did the defendant do after launching the trash?
He sped up, like he was fleeing the scene of a crime. Which he was.
Ms. Harper, isn't it true you honked aggressively?
I honked patriotically. For justice.
A civic duty.
Ms. Harper, could the trash have accidentally fallen?
Sir, he overhand threw it. I saw shoulder rotation.
Shoulder rotation? That's premeditation. Mr. Morton, before I sentence you, do you have anything to say?
I mean, it was just one bag.
Just one bag? Sir, that's how it starts. One bag becomes two. Two becomes a habit.
I didn't think it was that serious.
Not that serious. You turned a public road into your personal dumpster. You created a drive-by trashing. The court finds you guilty. Your sentence is as follows. You will spend 72 hours picking up trash along the highway, supervised, wearing a reflective vest that reads, "I thought no one saw me." You will attend a mandatory workshop titled, "Trash Belongs in Bins, Not in the Wind." For the next 30 days, every time you get in your car, you must recite aloud, "I am not an animal. I will not litter." And finally, you must personally clean the street where your trash exploded every inch until it shines like a new car off the lot. Court adjourned. Hello, this is Judge Big. If you have a pet peeve you want to bring to trial, let's get some justice. Put it in the comment. Hit the like button and subscribe.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Big.
Be seated. Court is now in session for the People versus C. Thompson, charged with coughing in a public supermarket without covering his mouth. A heinous act.
Your Honor, the evidence is clear. Mr. Thompson coughed 3 times in the produce aisle, uncovered, directly toward other shoppers. Innocent shoppers, Your Honor.
Your Honor, my client simply had a tickle in his throat. A tickle is not a crime.
A tickle becomes a crime when it becomes a biological weapon. Continue.
We have witnesses who fled the scene. One woman abandoned her cart and her coupons.
Objection. Coupons are irrelevant.
Overruled. Coupons are always relevant.
Your Honor, I didn't mean any harm. I just...
Order in the court! Order in the court! Order in the court! Absolutely not. Not in my courtroom. That cough just earned you an additional charge. Coughing while in a municipal courtroom.
Your Honor, please, surely we can show mercy.
I'm going to show mercy. I was going to just have the defendant watch an instructional video titled "How to Cover Your Mouth Like a Responsible Human." But since Mr. Thompson did not respect me or this courtroom by not covering his mouth when he coughed, the courtroom finds the defendant guilty, sentenced to 1 month in city jail, and each day about a dozen prisoners will be ordered to join you in your cell, Mr. Thompson, and cough in your face and see how you like it. And I hope you catch something. Next case. Hello, this is Judge Big. If you have a pet peeve you want to bring to trial, let's get some justice. Put it in the comment. Hit the like button and subscribe.